Danyang GM Tools Company Limited is committed to providing exceptional cutting tool solutions to customers worldwide. By consistently combining advanced CNC technology with automated production lines, GM Tools, every tool delivers precision and efficiency in performance. The company operates production bases in both China and Malaysia, focusing on innovations and breakthroughs in drilling technology, and offers a range of cutting tools such as twist drills, step drills, bi-metal hole saws, and carbon steel hole saws. With advanced equipment, excellent craftsmanship, and superior quality, GM Tools supports the development of various industries. The company selects high-quality raw materials, including high-speed steel and carbon steel, and applies advanced coatings like titanium and nitriding to enhance corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and extend the tool's service life. GM Tools is not only focused on standard products, but also has a strong custom design capabilities. The design team provides tailored solutions based on the specific needs of different industries and customers. From product design and production to delivery, the company ensures that every custom tool is perfectly suited to the intended use environment, improving customer productivity. The integration of intelligent manufacturing and precision equipment guarantees that every product, from design to manufacturing and delivery, is meticulously crafted with attention to detail. Whether for mass production or customized requirements, GM Tools always offers high-quality, efficient solutions to help customers enhance their competitiveness. We are more than just a manufacturing company. We are a vibrant and innovative team, continuously pushing the boundaries of excellence. Danyang GM Tools Company Limited brightens every moment with craftsmanship and innovation, quality, and eternal commitment.